what can you get for $10? Well, a green fee to this golf course here in New Jersey. We're outside of Vineland. We're gonna take a look at a $10 bill golf course at the interesting Wheat Road Golf Course. So the rumor is, at least from what someone told me on the range, is just go play the course and they'll find you and then you'll pay $10. All right, we're here. No one here to check in. Got 10 bucks with us. Let's take a look. The course really is in someone's backyard. It was constructed in the late 80s, early 90s. At least that's what the grounds crew person said. You know how old the golf course is? Pretty cool.
I think it started in the 90s or in the late 80s maybe.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't see it online, so I was just kind of curious.
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah, it's
nice
and
and
peaceful.
Yeah, you got and the course used to be an old farm. That's where it got its name, Wheat Road. At least the area used to be an old farm. There's Wheat Road that comes through. A massive driving range with grass and turf options to hit off of, which is nice, and it's pretty affordable. Not as affordable as the golf course. It's not really a big place to check in, but rest assured there's a full 1,000-yard golf course here that's hidden for $10, the cheapest course in New Jersey that I could find. And the course really feels like you're in someone's backyard. Even checking in is very hesitant, and if you can even play this golf course. There's clearly one here. It's kind of hidden between a lot of shade, so you're gonna walk the course. It's actually pretty good exercise. The infrastructure of the course, there's this concrete line that might have even been used during the parkway system when it was constructed. I'm going to take a look at it here. Since the course is open year round, you do have some mats to hit off of, but of course we like to hit off the grass just like you do. And we recommend going a little bit further back so you get a little bit more money out of the course. It's only about 1,000 yards. The reason for that infrastructure makes sense. There's a car dump right next door. And overall, the course doesn't even feel too much like a dump when you compare it to a $10 bill. The putting green surfaces were hands down the worst part of the golf course, but everything else felt fun and exciting. It's a lot of shade. It's a good summertime golf course, not too many bugs floating out there. It's a solid 4.4 on Google with 67 golf reviews to choose from. And this one almost snuck by us. We weren't 100% sure if this was a golf course associated in this little chip and putt area. Some of the holes get a little bit further than others. 97, I think, was the furthest one, so that's a full par 3. And overall, I think each one of them takes a half of a full swing, but you can see right there, the putting green surfaces, you almost have to give it to you if you're close. Each one of the holes is around 50 to 70 yards total. Here's a good layout of the land. And some of the holes are nicer than others, but it doesn't take away from the experience. It can be a competitive round if you do play match play with someone. I actually realize it makes more sense to put the tripod a little bit higher up there to get some good footage of the ball coming in. Overall, I thought the course was exciting. For the price, again, the $10 bill price, I think, is the biggest takeaway of this course. Everyone there was very friendly and inviting. It was on a Saturday, so this is prime time. We really still had the place to myself. The driving range probably was the highlight of the golf course because it's a pretty big driving range. It also has a Toyota truck that's associated with it that picks up the golf balls. That was new. That was exciting. I was happy to see that. Couldn't find any information about the overall golf designer of this course. We know it was built in that 90s, late 80s time frame. Hopefully you could put some information down in the comment section if you're associated with this golf course. We're trying to learn a little bit more and bring some of the history back to the area. This is a big farm area, so we suspect that this was a farm when it was constructed. But overall, you can get really good at your short game here. You're never going to take out driver. You're only going to bring 2 or 3 clubs. And I also recommend bringing a walking cart. I think it kind of fills to that experience. You can hold the clubs, but I suspect that people have lost 1 or 2 wedges out here. Trout National, the Mike Trout and Tiger Woods golf course in Vineland. So this is their competitor, you can't believe it or not. So as they build these exclusive private golf courses, remember these are the ones that chances are me and you will be playing. That's going to do it for our list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. This is the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. If you're not watching, go play a little bit of golf today.